This is my new shower head that we got fitted recently. I'm going to show you it. So we've got this big shower here, which is attached on the whole shower, which could swivel to the side. So let me demonstrate. It's a rainfall shower, so it rains down on you. And also I'll demonstrate it. Here we go. I'll turn it this way for this shower, and that way for that shower. And here's what's it. Rains down on you. You can change temperature using that little dial. And the shower head, it's square in shape. This is my favourite. This shower right here could do different things. So let's demonstrate it. So that's the regular mode. But it's also got power with exponential bar. This mode, which is just warm mode. We've got jet mode, which is exactly the same as the first function. And then we've got misting mode. Basically supplies mist everywhere. Pretty cool. Now, you can't have both shots at the same time. You only have one going at the same time, so say for example if you want this shower going and shower going, you can't. You can only have one shower going, so it's either this shower, or it's either this shower. So yeah, that's my new shower. And it's made by, check the brand name. It's made by the same company as the taps. These taps are awesome too. You can have a stick in place as well. Anyway, so it's a Bristan. It's a Bristan shower head. Thanks for watching. See ya.